Ever wish your project tracking could run itself just by checking a box? In this video, I'll show you how to turn simple checkboxes into powerful automation tools that keep your workflow smooth, smart, and stress-free.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So this is the data in which I have different tasks and the different people to whom these tasks are assigned, and then we have a due date, and after this we wanted to add checkboxes, and on the basis of the checkboxes we want to get the status of the work assigned. For this purpose, first in this D column I want to add the checkboxes. To add checkboxes to these cells, first I need to select them, and then I'll go to the Insert tab and I'll click on this checkbox. So this will automatically add checkboxes to my cells and also link them to these cells. This is only available in Microsoft Excel 365. If you are using earlier version of Microsoft Excel, then please watch another my video. The link is given in the description. I am also giving the link of that video in the I button. Now coming back to our video. Now on the basis of these checkboxes, I want to get the status. As you can see that whenever I check into any checkbox, the status in the formula bar is true. If the checkbox is not checked, then its value is coming as false. So we can use the true and false value of the checkbox to get the desired status as done or pending of the projects or the task assigned. For this purpose, under the status in this cell, I'll make use of the if function. So I'll write equal if parenthesis start D2 equal to true, then it should be marked as done, otherwise it should be marked as pending. So you can see that I have written the logical test that if the value in this D2 is checked, which means that the D2 value will be true, then the status should be done, otherwise it should be pending. I'll hit enter. I'll move my cursor to the bottom right corner and double click it. So now we are getting the status as per the value in the checkbox. You can see that we can easily switch it to done or pending just by clicking the checkboxes. Now to make this status more stand out, we can make use of the conditional formatting so that these status should be highlighted with different colors so that we can easily visualize them. For this purpose, I'll select these status. I'll go to the Home tab. I'll click on the conditional formatting and I'll go to the highlight cell rule and I'll select text that contain and I'll write done. And for this text, I would like to add the green fill with the dark green text. I'll click OK. Now everywhere the done will be changed with this green color. Similarly, to highlight the pending with some other color, I'll again select these cells. I'll go to the conditional formatting. I'll click on highlight cell rules. I'll go to the text that contain and here I'll write pending. And for pending, I would like to have the light red fill with dark red text. I'll click on OK, and now you can see that I can easily switch and visualize how my workflow is going on. And that's it. If this automation trick sparked ideas for your own projects, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your next productivity breakthrough might be just one checkbox away. Thanks for watching and see you next time.